Hi there. In this Starfish video, I'm going to show you how to schedule to take a test through the Academic Testing Service. Now, this service is through the Center for Student Success, and it differs slightly compared to some of the other services. In a previous video, I showed you how to schedule with an academic advisor through the academic advising service, whereas this one, you're not actually scheduling with an individual, but rather a testing seat. This is also the case for the academic testing services at the Albion, Coldwater, and Hastings campus. So in order to schedule a test, you can either, or to schedule for a test, you can either click the schedule button or click the three dots here. We're going to click the three dots here, in which case it will redirect us to the profile of the service. Here, for team members, again, instead of having various individuals, we have the testing seats. You will see computer paper and then paper only. This means that the station that you would be sitting at has a computer and a desk in order to write things down or to take a physical test, whereas the paper only ones is just a desk. So in this particular case, we're just going to click testing seat 1, and then you would click schedule. Then it's asking, what do you need help with? Obviously academic testing, and then you will want to click take a test. From here, we will want to find a time that you will want to take the test for. We're just going to go with Tuesday, June 14th, and then we will do 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. So these are 60-minute blocks, and this is located within the Center for Student Success in OHM 207. Here it's just asking if everything looks correct. You will want to look at the date and time to make sure that's right. You can change it if you need to. Location, there's only one particular location for this type of test, and then you will want to view the meeting instructions just in case there's something that you need to do prior to or post making the appointment. In this particular case, there's additional information that they're asking for, so you want to just put that information over here to the side. And then also, if you need to change the reason, you would click change, but since this is the only reason, you want to just leave that alone. So in this case, as far as details, we're just going to put test, and then you will want to select confirm. Then it's just another recap of everything that says I look forward to seeing you, and then you will get a notification that goes to your KCC email as well as any personal email that you might have within the Starfish system. And then also a notification will go to the department letting them know that you will be in. Hopefully this video helps you.